एवरीवन, दिस इज मनीषा और आज फिर हम आ गए हैं एक बहुत अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आपके लिए लेके। और मैं आज मौजूद हूँ डॉक्टर स्पेशल है। शी इज वेरी स्पेशल बिकॉज शी इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन। और सबसे पहले हम वेलकम करना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर तस्नीम भरमल मैम। आपका बहुत स्वागत है आज इस खास इंटरव्यू में एंड देयर इज सो मेनी थिंग अबाउट यू, बट मैं चाहूंगी मैम प्लीज एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन आपकी तरफ से।
Thank you, Manisha, for having me here. So I am a medical oncologist. I'm practicing at Head and Neck Cancer Institute currently. I started my medicine journey in 2008, and I have been practicing as a cancer specialist since 2018 with various hospitals in Mumbai only. Initially started with Just Lok, Prince Ali Khan, and now at this hospital.
Wow, this is amazing, ma'am. So for informative day, I just want to ask the question from what is kidney cancer?
So we are here to talk about World Kidney Cancer Day, right? Okay. So kidney cancer is a kind of cancer which starts at the kidneys. The cells of the kidneys normally go a cancerous manifestation. So that is how it manifests. The most common type is called renal cell carcinoma. It starts from the small tubules in the kidney. Okay. There are few other common types. So one of them being transitional cell carcinoma, which starts in area of the kidney where the urine accumulates and drains usually. There is also a common variant called Wilms tumors, which is found in very small kids. It's not seen in adults very common.
Alright, so there are like different types of kidney cancers are there. Which is the common one?
The most common is renal cell carcinoma.
And there's no age group for that?
Usually found above 40s, more common in 60 to 70 years.
I just want to ask you, what are the early symptoms of kidney cancer?
So the early symptoms of malignancies are very subtle more often than not. For a kidney cancer, the common issues that usually come up is some blood in the urine. Now this will make your urine either pink, cola colored or red. Okay, it's not always only red. Other common symptoms include some lump in the abdomen that you can feel, some pain in the abdomen, especially on the lateral side or towards your back, some kind of unintentional weight loss or fatigue. So that's also another common symptom of cancer.
So how can we diagnose this kidney cancer then?
So for diagnosis, the first thing you need to do is you need to go and visit a doctor. That doctor will take a thorough medical history. They will examine you, and if they feel on the basis of this, then you will be told to do a couple of imaging tests, which might include sonography, CT scans or a MRI. If any of these tests is showing a tumor near your kidney, then you will require a biopsy of that, which will confirm the diagnosis of cancer.
Alright, so can you just explain how the treatment gets started?
Yeah, okay. So treatment will vary on multiple factors. The most important being the age of the patient, the general condition of the patient, the stage of the tumor and the type of the tumor. Usually the treatment comprises of surgery, which will include removing your kidney partially or completely. Other drugs like targeted drugs which only act on cancer cells, immunotherapy which will make your own immune system target those cancer cells is also commonly used. Radiation as a treatment is used in very selected cases. In very selected cases where the tumor is too small and very slowly growing, even watchful waiting is an option in kidney cancer.
Just for my information, I want to know how this just you can just get this kidney cancer. Means there's anything we can just don't have to do or
yeah. So prevention is it's not very kidney cancer focused, but common things like avoiding smoking, avoiding alcohol, maintaining your blood pressure, they go a long way in avoidance of kidney cancers. Having a healthy diet, healthy weight, some kind of medication, certain medications like painkillers if we can avoid. So all these things all together will help you avoid a lot of cancers, one of them being kidney cancer.
And how many chances are there to just cure with this kidney cancer?
With kidney cancer, so with kidney cancer, if you're between stage 1 to 3, of course with every stage the chances reduce, but there is still a chance of cure. If you are stage 4, still we have patients who live a couple of years on stage 4 also. So overall the prognosis is not very bad. We are usually able to control these tumors with therapies, and yeah, more often than not people do live with it for a couple of years, even at a stage 4.
Oh, okay. I just want to know that if you have anything to share with us regarding any of the patient or the information which is going to be helpful for our viewers
with kidney cancer.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of patients with kidney cancer. One of them particularly is very close to my heart because he's stage 4. since 9 years now, only on tablets, and he's doing fantastic. So you find such outliers amongst the very grim reality of people dying with cancers. So yes.
Okay, so with a lot of information, hopefully it will going to help you out. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your precious time. Hopefully, this on Kidney Cancer Day, we will going to prevent most of the people who are watching you, and we will going to take more information from you. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.